Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading guide series for your general energies, career situation and relationship guys. We are picking these card series. If you want more clarity Aries in your situation, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this gentle guidance. So let's see what are these cards. We have Four of Stars in reverse, Knight of Suns in reverse and Two of Moons. So in your situation guys, Aries, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship. You are someone who is ready for action, someone who is really responsible, dedicated, and you are someone who has that talent and skill, excited to take up something new. And maybe for some of you it may be too much excitement or curiosity. So if that is the case, you are rushing into some decisions without thinking. If that is the case, you have to just pay a lot of attention to the way you come up with the choice or the way you decide guys. So it is going to help you avoid some difficult situation today guys, Aries, in your career or in your personal life. So you should not go for rash decisions today guys. And these decisions may take you away from the goals or dreams you have for yourself. So you have to have that clarity in your thought before you step into something new, maybe making some important choices today. And in your life, in your relationship, you are moving towards a beautiful relationship, intimate, passionate connection with this person, and you are having that beautiful understanding with each other, mutual love, respect, caring for each other, and things are going in a positive way in this relationship, in this connection. And for some of you, it may be a situation in your career, you are moving towards some business collaboration or partnership that is giving you or taking you towards more greater potential for success and prosperity in your life today guys. And in this love, in this relationship, you both share a deep understanding, you both have that commitment today guys. And you need to, maybe for some of you, there are people trying to give you some valuable suggestions. It may be a friend or a family member. If that is the case, if someone close to you, someone who can be trusted, they are giving you some valuable suggestions, you need to listen to them guys, because it is going to help you in a very beautiful way. In the long run, it is going to help you avoid some difficult circumstances. So if someone close to you, it may be a friend or a family member, or it may be this person, so you need to listen to their advice. That is what I see guys. So they are here to tell you something important, something that is good for you and them, for everyone. So you need to listen, Aries. So that is what I see with these cards, Aries. If you want more clarity guys, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now guys, Aries. Thank you guys. For your love reading guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, Then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading. Let's see what is the first card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, it is Blessing of Zara. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in your situation you are given a blessing or a guidance. So something is obstructing the way of fulfillment in your life, unfoldment, a divine unfoldment, and opportunities are coming towards you to shed the toxins, whatever was not working for you. It may be at the physical level, emotional, or psychological level. So sometimes you may understand it consciously, sometimes you may not, but you are in the process of detoxing right now, guys, giving up old thoughts, feelings, pains, and struggles, memories from the past flooding you, and you are just expelling all that negativity from your being, and you are moving towards full radiance, vitality. And maybe if you are unwell, if you are sick or suffering from some sickness, you are healing from that, guys, and you are back to good health, recovering to good health, and you are finding that radiance in your soul today, guys, and it is only a matter of time you reach back to your original glory today, guys. And also this card comes with the special guidance. Maybe you are pained because something is leaving you, something which you love is no longer there, but you need to understand that it may be a person or a circumstance. You are seeing inevitable changes to it because it may not support you anymore, guys, and it is not something that is good for you. Something much more beautiful is waiting for you, loving and beautiful. So you just need to rise up and move forward towards that and not brood over the past. So that is the energy with this card, guys. And that time of healing or detox or shining with that previous glory or brilliance is imminent, and you need not worry. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who choose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, the second card, we have hope. So in our situation, guys, often we see or we hear struggles or troubles in our life, and we feel hopeless and heavy at heart. We don't know what we'll be able to do, how to help people, how to do anything about it. So we just simply observe and we do nothing. It is impossible for us to change the whole world, but we can start with some small acts of kindness or help in our situation, guys. So we can do something which we are really passionate about. Maybe a small thing will make a huge difference in someone's life. So when we dedicate our time, resources or finances to make a difference in that area, it is going to change the way things are for someone else. And when we work with like-minded people, we will help ourselves to realize the purpose of our life, and it will bring us hope and faith in future. So we can start with some small acts of help or kindness, and it will instill hope and a sense of purpose in that person's life to whom we are showing our compassion or kindness, and it will instill hope in their lives too. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all today. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.